welcome to another vlog. I'm up on this lovely Sunday morning getting some cinnamon rolls put in the oven. I have my clothes changed, hot cocoa, and Christmas shows. So I've been watching a lot of Christmas movies lately. That's what we're gonna go do. It is actually sleeting outside. So, of course it's not gonna do anything, but the temperatures are low. So it's 36, rain and snow. We're gonna head back in to the kitchen, finish making our cinnamon rolls. Star messed up, but that's okay. So they just get thicker. Happy Sunday, y'all. I clearly woke up this morning. It wasn't doing anything. I clearly just said that it looks like and feels like it could rain. It could sleet, it could snow. And it's literally doing just that. It is snowing and, I mean, it's not, well, it was snowing. It's actually sleeting and raining. I'm heading out because I'm going to take my grandmother to the grocery store. She always says like, oh, I never offer her a ride. Well, here I am coming out in this good old wintry mix. We're gonna actually go to Kroger. The one thing I forgot when I went to the grocery store yesterday was bagels. So that's gonna be one of my main things to get. And then of course, I have coupons on my Kroger app where I'm gonna get my free chips. Okay? So that I can have some chips with my meals this week. When I do get back home, I am meal prepping for the week. So I'm making, I am going to be making some, it's like chicken with some peppers, rainbow peppers, and some onions. And then it's like with sauce. So I'm using barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna do some rice with it. So that's probably one thing I do need to get from the store, which is gonna be rice. But I'm also going to need to get, I'm probably gonna need to grab some broccoli. Yeah. Supposed to be $3.99. K-Pods, Swiss Miss Peppermint. If not, I'm just gonna get the oat milk latte, brown sugar. Grenu, how you feeling? Oh, look at that. How you feeling now?
The kit. Mm-hmm.
Well, they called it though.
Yeah, but it brings back to them.
Watch it. Just watch it.
No, I ain't gotta watch it. I know it's coming back.
So who gonna win today?
Commander gonna win.
Oh, yeah. We'll check in on that in a couple hours.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, it actually is snow, sleeting, and raining. I'm actually going to grab some Wendy's real quick, just because I don't feel like fixing nothing. But I'm gonna grab some of those nuggets while I'm on my way home. And then eventually I'm probably gonna have to go around the corner for Charles to get him some wine. But right now, I'm ready to go home. Everybody and their grandma must want Wendy's. It took me almost 25 minutes just to get up to the speaker. And it's like they're serving one person at a time. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Woo! Lord, it's 1:57. I got in that line at 1:11. He was like, somebody has been in his ear, and it's been dinging ever since he put the headset on. Well, clearly, sir, that is how fast food restaurants work. Anyways, I'm finally getting to go home. It's gonna take me about 5 minutes to get there. At least I can take my groceries inside and then just set those to the side and eat my food while it's nice and hot, especially his fries. And then I'll show you guys everything that I got from Kroger today, because there was a couple good deals, like dollar deals. There was also like things on manager special. Alright, so for $1.75, which was manager special, this is Kansas City style barbecue seasoned boneless skinless chicken breast with rib meat that's up to 17% seasoned marinated. 2 salmons. This one was $2.97. The other one was about the same amount. Has the skin on. And then $5.68 for chicken breast tenderloins, and then some chicken thighs for $6.40. I also got just a thing of plain bagels, celery hearts, which was on manager special for $1.35. 1 yellow pepper, the puff pastry 2 sheets, and then hot dogs. I also got some garden green Caesar grapes. Alright, here's the other salmon for $2.90. Alright, got some French vanilla coffee creamer, honey or butter flavored biscuits, small thing of extra creamy ready whipped. Got some Christmas treat cakes, ice cream, a pack of 2 hard-boiled eggs, chicken pot pie, turkey pot pie. So these are on sale for $1. Then I found these for $4. You can air fry, grill, or pan fry these. These are Jamaican jerk chicken breast skewers. They're boneless, skinless, and it has a Jamaican jerk marinade on it. So I'm not sure if it's because of the date maybe that's coming up on them. Yeah, they just put it on there because they wanted to. The date's good until the 15th of January. But I bought 2 of them because they were only $4. And then a thing of ground turkey for about $3.85. Cut and peeled baby carrots, mozzarella, string cheese, 2 of the broccoli cuts. These were $1 each, so decided to get those. And alright, so I ended up getting the California roll for $6.49. These are good for her to take for lunch days this week if she doesn't want lunch. We have low-fat yogurt tube, strawberry and vanilla, and then blueberry waffles. This was $1 as well. It's the sausage and gravy deep dish banquet, whatever. And then I got the Olipop ginger ale. I don't know, I've been wanting to try that. And then just a Red Baron brick oven pizza, cheese style for $2.99. And I got 2 like Christmas buckets, but I think they're more for like cookies, but you can put anything in them. They were $2 each. I'm actually gonna keep this one and gift this one. And then we got the Swiss Miss peppermint Keurig pods. This is hot cocoa mix, so you can easily make it for you and I don't have to worry about it. I also had to get some Fresh Scent bleached toilet bowl cleaner some goldfish in colors. We got the mini Doritos in Cool Ranch and nacho cheese for snacks. And then we also got the chewy dipped chocolate chip granola bars, the peppermint Swiss. This is in case the kids want to make theirs. We got more movie theater popcorn as we want to watch some more Christmas movies this week coming up. Another manager special was $1.40 for these powerful soft baked oat bites. This in the flavor of chocolate chip. We'll see if they like those. And then sweet corn. And then I also got some sweet peas, 2 things of Vienna sausage, a $2.99 bag of variety apples, and then some bleached all-purpose flour. We got yellow onions as well as some flour tortillas. $3.99 manager special orange juice. Clearly people can run through orange juice if they come up with different ideas. And then instant jasmine rice, ginger ale, 0 sugar lemonade, and then some beef bouillon cubes as well as some chicken bouillon cubes. So that was everything that I got today. All right, time to meal prep for the week. Get dinner going. Let's make this chicken for the salad. All right, I finally made the potatoes. We got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, parsley, Italian seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big.